Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. How many lines can be drawn on a plane? Now we know if we have a single point. Through a single point, infinite or countless lines can be drawn. Countless lines can be drawn. Now if we look at a plane, we have countless such points in a plane. So we have countless such points in a plane. So we can conclude that there are countless lines that can be drawn on a plane. Answer is option A.